Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. I am Estro Jen, founder of Moxi Roller Skates, and I want to thank you so much for coming to my very first ever free roller skating lesson live. All right, the next skill that we're going to learn is pumping. There's two ways that I like to think of beginner flat ground pumping. You're probably familiar with pumping on a ramp. But you can also use pumping as a way to learn how to generate some forward or backward momentum. This is actually how I learned how to backward skate. My Aunt Erica used to kill it at the roller rink when I was a kid, and for the life of me, I could not figure out how to backward skate, and she showed me the blowing bubbles technique, and I learned how to backward skate. So the blowing bubbles technique going forwards, you're going to get into a V stance with your right foot at 1 o'clock and your left foot at 11. And you're gonna put a nice deep knee bend, head, middle of your knees, and heel arches in alignment. And you're gonna let your wheels roll out, and then just after they hit hip width apart, you're gonna curl them back in. So you're gonna go heel to toe, looking forward. And then you're gonna look behind you and reverse it. Toe to heel. Heel to toe. Toe to heel. Just gonna do this until you feel some rhythm. Stay squatted. Don't put your hands down if you fall. Go to those soft bits. Okay, and this is a really nice quad, hams, glutes, and core exercise here. Do it from behind. This move eventually can turn into a dance move if you step into it. And split. All right, that's not really beginner, but just thought I'd show you that. The next pump is a split pump. So what we're gonna do here is get into the opposite of where we started before. So we're gonna get into a pizza slice or an A-frame or the top of a pyramid or a triangle, and you're gonna split your stance in a nice knee bend squatted position. You're gonna let your right foot extend in front of you while your left foot comes back, and then you're gonna switch. And this is a move that I really like to do when I'm like bored at the rink and the music's still playing. So I feel a nice knee straighten as you elongate your legs. The move looks and feels a little bit more snappy. And this is what I like to call split pumps. But I'm making it up. What do you call it? Please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of all the lessons that are gonna be rolling out. I'm so excited to teach you dance moves and ramp moves and street moves. And I can't wait for the day that I can bring my friends so that they can teach you too. All right. Thank you very, very much for joining me in my driveway in my backyard. Hope you have a lovely night. All right. Signing off, this is Estro Jen. Bye-bye.